Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good. Today's topic is algebraic representation of inverse proportion. If y and z are the variables which are inversely proportional to each other, then the algebraic representation will be y inversely proportional to z. Guys, the sign between y and 1 over z represents a proportion, okay? It represents proportion. And as on the right hand side we have 1 over z, it means the inverse of z, okay? So this expression is the expression of inverse proportion. So y is inversely proportional to z. Now guys, if you want to convert the expression of inverse proportion into the algebraic equation, then you will replace the sign into equal to any constant. So the algebraic equation will become y is equal to constant over z. This is the algebraic equation of inverse proportion, right? Now we will take an example of inverse proportion, okay? If a is inversely proportional to the square root of b, where a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 64, then find a when b is equal to 100, b when a is equal to 5. Okay, now let's solve. Guys, we know that a is inversely proportional to the square root of b. So we will convert this expression into equation and we get a is equal to any constant. Then here we have k as a constant, okay? So a is equal to k over square root b, right? Now first we will find the value of constant k, okay? So we will separate constant k on one side and all the variables on the other side, okay? So k is equal to a multiply square root b. So k is equal to 20 multiply square root 64, where 20 is the value of a and 64 is the value of b. So as you know, the square root of 64 is 8. So we get 20 multiply 8 is equal to 160. So it means the value of k, the constant, is 160. Now the first part of question is find the value of a when b is 100. So as a is equal to k over square root b, now we will put the values of k and b to get the value of a. So a is equal to 160 over square root 100, right? So as you know, the square root of 100 is 10. So 160 over 10, we get 16. It means the value of a, we get 16, okay? Now the next point, find the value of b when a is 5, okay? Now again we will take the same equation, a is equal to k over square root b. Okay, now we want the value of b, okay? We want the value of b, so we will separate square root b on one side and all the other variables on the other side, okay? Now we get square root b is equal to k over a. The value of k is 160, the value of b is 5. So 160 divided by 5, we get 32. 32 is the value of square root of b, but we need the value of b, okay? So to remove the square root, we will apply square on both the sides, okay? So take square on both the sides. By taking square on both sides, we get b is equal to the square of 32, that is 1024, okay? 1024. So 1024 is the value of b when the value of a is 5. This is the example of inverse proportion. I hope it's clear, okay? So, bye.